Hello, my name is Raphael Gilbert. Today I will be presenting my project for the coolest project. I made this project in scratch. I made this project because many people do not know how to take care of pets. So we have this duck, and we can play with the duck by throwing a ball. We can play by throwing a ball. We can pet the duck. And if I had more time, I would add more pets.
Is there any difficulty that you are facing?
Yes, the difficulty was the time limit. It was really tight because I am too lazy.
And so how did that work out for you? Is everything okay?
Yes, everything is now okay.